Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the TV model and OS so you know which removal method applies. Once done, power cycle the set to clear temporary locks and open settings apps or applications. You need your remote and account passwords because some platforms require sign-in to remove built-in apps. Follow the on-screen app list. Make sure you can access management options. If the YouTube entry is visible, highlight it but don't activate it yet. This prepares you for the next steps. You now perform the main removal. If the OS allows, choose Uninstall or Delete and confirm. The TV removes app files and removes the icon. If the app is pre-installed and not removable, select Disable, then force stop and clear data/cache to neutralize it. Some smart TVs hide options behind developer mode or an advanced firmware menu. Use the manufacturer's key sequence to access it. Take your time to verify the app no longer launches from any home screen shortcut or voice command. Finish by rebooting the TV and scanning the home screen and search shortcuts for any remaining YouTube references. If the app reappears after a network sync, unlink the Google or YouTube account in settings to prevent automatic reinstallation. When nothing else works, update the TV firmware, then only as a last resort perform a factory reset. This removes synced apps but also erases settings. Troubleshooting tip: if the app returns, disable automatic updates in the App Store and recheck account links to stop background restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.